Hey everyone, it's Katrine with the AI Grimm Society, and I just wanted to show you because I was just writing up something how I get my hooks done in AI Grimm as well as the transcript where I put everything into YouTube and how we are doing this here actually, so you have timestamps and everything else. So let me just hop over to our AI Grimm. No, first let's get the Loom transcript. So here is the process on how I create the Loom hook, which is also going to be the YouTube hook. Let me just show you. Oops. Let me take myself out of the way. This one down here, right? So you need some kind of a hook or a title, and then you're also going to have some timestamps, maybe the tools you used, a short description of the video itself, and then also where they can find you. And that is something I always copy out, or you can also use a YouTube Buddy for this, and you can enter it automatically. So let me just show you how I get the hook out. So I'm taking the transcript, I'm just going to copy it over from Loom, copy, and come over to our prompt tool in AI Grimm. And that is our latest, greatest one. So you come over to the prompt tool and you will see that you have strategic prompt sets, and we are adding right now every single day the ones we have already. We have over 124 prompts and we are putting them into the new system here. But the YouTube prompts will have the YouTube hook generator and then the YouTube SEO optimization one. So let's just go to the hook generator and I can already show you basically how and what I did or would do here. So I basically simply did I grab the transcript now? Sorry. Okay.
Hi, this is Katrine, and in this video I'm going to show you how I actually learned.
Second. Okay, transcript. Why is it not working right now? Let's just go. Let me just take a second. Here it is. Interesting. Okay.
So let's just start out with Tony Robbins. It's
copies everything over, copy to clipboard. Let's see if it works now. And then I put the transcript into my hook generator. And then I can choose between the different models. And for the hook generation, I think you can test them around, but the 4.0 model is the best in my opinion. And then you just go and get all of the hooks here. So I prepared a little document which compares actually the results between the mini, so the OpenAI mini, then you have the regular large language model, and then you have the Claude 3.7 Sonnet. And I normally, what I do is I grab them, copy them in, and see just which one sticks the most. So the mini results are here, and then I think I decided for this one, transform your sales page strategy in 3 minutes using this unique method. So I'm going to copy this one out. This one is a results hook, and that always works well. So come over to Loom, put this one into Loom here, and then I basically come back to the YouTube SEO optimization. So this tool reads your transcript, and let me just make it a little. This tool reads your transcript, conducts keyword research, proposes optimized tags, and writes an SEO optimized description for your YouTube video plus keywords and title. So let's hit this one. And again, you want to use and copy your transcript from your Loom video or your YouTube video, paste it in here. By default, in this case, it's mini because it's more of a structured. You don't need, I use Claude for anything like email nurturing sequences, anything blog posts, sales sequences, and something like this. But if you need keywords and tags and the timestamps, the mini works great. So let's generate again. Okay. And in this case, you get everything you need here. And you would take this one, come over to your videos, and then obviously you want to create a new video. You would then download the video from here. Okay, that goes really fast in Loom, by the way, as well. It's also not a long video in this case, so you just upload this one. And then you can put everything in here. Normally the timestamps come up already organized more. Oops. One too fast. And then I would just grab the next one, the title as well. I'm adjusting only these ones here for a short moment. And that's it already. And then I come down here, the key takeaways, the disclaimer, the keywords. The disclaimer, by the way, I saw that Evelyn is doing that, so I think that's a really good idea. And then we have a few of these ones. And then the nice thing is about the sales tags. I find them actually useful. I'm not sure how other people see it, but I do find them useful, and I use them. So I'm going to come down here to the tags. Because they have already a comma, you can just paste them in and they will show up perfectly. And then I remove them from here. And I'm going to grab the hook. Oh, it's already there. Okay, so Print Friendly is a plugin. And then I would name also anything else, any other tools are used here in the program. Enter your community here. If you have a community on school, you just come over and paste it into the placeholder. Oops, sorry, on the YouTube channel. Here, I'm going to create some space and paste it in here. And then it will come up. And that's pretty much it. Let me just see. Yeah, and that's it for here. So I would definitely then upload a file. In this case, you can auto-generate it. Use Tony Robbins here. Done. It's added to a playlist. Next. And then I would obviously choose also an end screen. And I would choose this one, but I'm not going to bore you with this right now because it was literally only about how to get a hook, how to get a quick description, and then have it be it. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. I'm going to put it into our AI Grimm Society along with the comparison of these different LLM models to see how the hooks look different. And then I'm going to share it with you. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.